And Brazil's former president Jair Bolsonaro was taken from house arrest into police custody after the Supreme Court accused him of trying to break his ankle bracelet and plot an escape. While federal officers moved in just hours before a rally of his supporters was set to gather outside his Brasilia home. The Supreme Court judge leading the case ruled that Bolsonaro was a high-flight risk, ordering pre-trial detention to stop any attempt to escape or destabilize the process. Reports say that investigators believe that Bolsonaro was preparing to break his electronic ankle monitor during the rally, which was called by his son. Later, he admitted that he tried to open his monitor with soldering iron, and this is not the start of his 27-year prison sentence, which was handed down in September for masterminding a failed coup against President Lula da Silva. Bolsonaro was awaiting a decision by Supreme Court Justice Alexandre de Moraes on whether he would be allowed to serve his coup-plotting sentence under house arrest. As news of the former president's detention became public, anti-Bolsonaro demonstrators celebrated outside the federal police headquarters where he was being held. Soon, several pro-Bolsonaro supporters draped in Brazil's green and yellow flag also gathered outside the police headquarters to protest his detention. Later, the Brazilian police shared a video showing the cell where Bolsonaro will be held after undergoing medical examinations. The video shows a 12-square-meter room with a single bed, air conditioning, a television set, a fridge and a private bathroom. The former president's arrest, like his conviction, has divided Brazilians. While many believe that he was trying to circumvent his prison sentence, others feel that he is being targeted by his political opponents.
I am very happy, Bolsonaro's conviction is important because of the coup. His preventive detention is completely correct, and there was also a correct legal process. He was convicted and there was an attempt to circumvent house arrest.
Regarding the preventive detention of former President Bolsonaro, I disagree. I don't see it as fair, The position is that they are trying in some way to arrest him without due evidence, right? I don't see that as a situation to put him in prison. I have already expressed my disapproval of this.
Bolsonaro's lawyers say that they were caught off guard. They plan fresh appeals by Monday and are pushing for any future sentence to be served at home, claiming that Bolsonaro is too ill for prison.